All right, so in this video, we will be going over how to set up your trading chart when it comes to any pair when we're trading on Abato.com. That's the trading platform that we're using. So the first step will be to select the pair that we want to trade. So currently we're on Bitcoin, and let's go ahead and open the gold chart and set it up. So on the left side here, we just need to find the gold ticker, which is right there. And what we want to do is click this little charts icon right beside it. And once we click there, we have now opened up the gold chart, as you can see right up here, XAU USD. And at the bottom here, we have the two charts that we have open. So we have the Bitcoin chart. So if we click there, we'll go right back to the Bitcoin chart. Then if we click the XAU USD chart, we'll now go to the gold chart. Now, the first thing that we always want to do is make sure that we are on the 5-minute chart. And that's the chart that I trade on. And the reason for that is because when I'm using the various indicators such as PSAR and RSI, I want to make sure that I'm able to see those smaller trends, but not be so zoomed in. For example, like on the 1-minute chart where there's too much noise. So let's go ahead and click M5. So that's a 5-minute. And you can see all of the different options here. For example, M30, which is a half an hour chart, H1, which is a 1 hour chart, D1, the 1 day chart, W1, which is the 1 week chart. So we always want to make sure that we select the 5-minute chart. Now, the next step is to make sure to zoom in as much as possible by clicking this plus button. So we'll just click it a couple times and we can see now we are as zoomed in as possible. So that way we're able to see all of the smaller movements that are happening on the chart as we are watching it. Now, the next step will be to add our indicators that we want to use. So we'll just go ahead and in this example, add the PSAR indicator. So we'll go to the indicators tab right here on the left side. We'll go to trend and we'll see the parabolic SAR. So let's just go ahead and click that. You guys know I don't make any changes to the indicator settings and I'll just click apply. And there we go. Now we have our indicator setup as well as our time frame, and we have a good look as to what's going on in the market. So that's a quick video on how to set up your trading chart on Abato.com, which is the trading platform that we're using right now.